Another example of spiritual financial planning, and this is about grand weddings. Parents spend tons of money, lakhs and crores, to organize beautiful weddings for their children. Don't splurge. Just save around 50 lakhs out of that big expenses and gift it to the newlywed couple. Let the newlywed couple invest that money for 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, after which that corpus will provide them a lifelong cash flow. So instead of spending tons of money on a grand wedding, don't you think it's a much better idea to gift your children a lifelong cash flow of financial freedom? We may think that if we do this, our children will not work hard, they won't struggle. In fact, it's just the opposite. If you give them protection, a foundation, they will then have the courage to take risks, try new things, and not take the path that everyone takes. Try to do something different, and that will make them really successful.